Hi, it's Matt with Real Food by Dad, and today I've been invited by my friends at the Beef Checkoff to share with you my beef and broccoli pizza. Pizza is always a fun family affair in our house, and I love the fact that I get to include beef in it. It encourages muscle growth and allows my boys to be healthy, focused, and strong. Let's get started. Thanks for watching, and I hope you'll add my beef and broccoli pizza to your pizza night rotation. It's a family favorite here. It's fast and easy to make. With the added beef, it's always a plus in our home. It allows us all to stay focused, active, and strong.